Hello everyone. It is Thursday, July 1st, 2010. I'm TSD Trader from Chartrat.com. Now, today the S&P was down 0.33%, or 33 hundredths of a percent, and formed a hammer pattern here that indicates that we will soon have a pullback. Now, today, as I was looking for support and resistance lines, kind of scary thought as a bear occurred to me that we've been moving in a channel somewhat like this between these two white lines here, and that if this were accurate, this would put us at the bottom here, about to rally for a major uptrend. That is entirely possible. The other possible scenario is that we had a consolidation phase in here, inside this box. Then we broke out here. But it turned out to be a false breakout, and then we moved down very sharply. Soon we will pull back to these lows here, or perhaps these higher lows here. I think the second scenario is more likely, because the bearish stars are aligned, if you will. The three moving averages I have up here are set up perfectly for a bearish argument. The 21 period moving average, that's the yellow, is the lowest. In the middle is the 40 period moving average, and highest is the 200 period moving average. When shorter term moving averages are lower than longer term moving averages, that's bearish. Also, various indicators have also been acting bearish. Volume, I talked about in the previous couple of videos, but also some that I haven't been talking about. Stochastics, for one, have been crawling along the bottom of this range near this lower red line here for quite some time, as opposed to just rallying. And they really didn't manage to get terribly high on this bounce. Sometimes stochastics can get very high with not a lot of price movement, but they didn't. So this shows some bearishness. MACD. On the histogram here, we see that the histogram is still in positive territory, but it is clearly rolling over. On the actual MACD here, the lines and the histogram I calculate with separate numbers, so I can see two different things at the same time. Has crossed below its 9 period moving average back here, and so I think MACD is definitely showing bearish signals. The 18 period momentum indicator is starting to pull back to this white line here, indicating that soon we will pull back, but only a small amount, going with the second scenario. And finally, the 40 period momentum indicator has kind of rolled over from this supposed breakout and is complying nicely with a bearish view. That's all for today. I'm TSD Trader from Chartrat.com. Good luck and happy trading.